Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Bella 8. Today I'm having a walk at Giraffe Centre. I want you to join me and come along with me. So I'm just from the house now. It's the time I want to go pick a vehicle then. So from here, Karen Shopping Center, I want to board a matatu that is heading there to Giraffe Center. Now, right now, I'm at the stage. Yeah. Now from here we are picking up Buddha Buddha there. We've arrived at Giraffe Center. Guys, we're getting into Giraffe Center for checkup. It's here. To get in, you have to wash your hands first. Once you pay, you come here, you're being given food that you're going to feed the giraffe. It's the giraffe diet. Yeah. Guys, and we have been given the food to feed the giraffes. So now let's go to feeding place.
By visiting the Giraffe Centre, the endangered Rothschild giraffe, also known as the Baringo giraffe. It is the most rare of the 3 giraffe subspecies.
So once you come in, there is this TV that shows you all about giraffes. Yeah.
Part of this legacy, the Giraffe Centre, promoting environmental conservation and changing mindsets to realize a world living.
Okay, and that's the location that we are going to feed them. That's the location that we are going to feed them. So we're just here. Once you come here, there is another one, section B. This one, to learn also about Giraffe Centre too.
Others are enjoying a tin better. Throughout the Northern Hemisphere, maybe they're getting to know their landscapes, but seem skilled at turning lessons into playtime. Looking more like lovable pets than vicious killers.
It's a family day out. So that's the lane that we are coming from. There's also another building that shows everything about giraffes here. So these are the writings, some are the drawings. Yeah, everything about giraffe and Giraffe Center, it's all here. You have to read all this if you want to know the history about this place. Out of that building, now let's go and feed the giraffes. The view of this place. Hmm. Once you're done feeding them, you just come and put your thing here. Like a small giraffe. Yeah. Our day at Giraffe Centre. We fed the giraffes. It has been awesome. Sometimes we fear, but it's worth taking, worth risking. Yeah. And it has been good. And thanks so much for watching. So let's leave and go to the nature trail. At exit, they have also kept these pictures of giraffes showing different types of giraffes. Try it through, you can give your reviews, and here's the book and the pen, and let's give the review. There is also a coffee shop. Once you're done, maybe you can grab the coffee here. There's a hotel beside. Yeah. When leaving the place, you have to clean your hands, and when entering it, still you have to wash your hands. The hygiene at this place is amazing. Guys, and once you are done, you'll be given this paper. It, it's a short history of Giraffe Centre. All these. There is a shop just beside here that they sell artifacts, and it's so beautiful. You can buy some of the things here. Guys, now let's go to the Giraffe Centre Nature Trail Sanctuary. Inside the Giraffe Centre Nature Trail, so let's see what inside here. And there are different trees they have named with scientific name. Scientific names. Yeah. So let's keep working. The sample of what I'm telling you, the scientific name, the family name, medicinal, common name. Yeah, I love them. And so here there is birds feeder, the arrow point. So we are going to that direction to see how we will go to that direction to see it. I hope we won't miss the direction. Yeah. I never to make the journey short. Hmm? Mm. Giraffe walk away. Aye? Do not go beyond this point. Guys, we have walked and we have reached to this river. And some chocolates for the hike. Look at them. Guys, and my chocolates got kisses. Received kisses from me, you to you, my viewers. And they have kept some food for the squirrels, for the birds, and the water. Guys, and that's the end of our nature trail. Now we're going back to where we began. Yeah, the day has been good, has been awesome. So much. And we are through with the nature trail. Back to where we began. That's the place. Wow. Guys, and once you are done with the Ololwa Nature Trail, you just come here and comment. So I'm here to write a comment, you know. And today being date 5/7/2022, name, nationality is Kenyan, number of parks, and breathtaking. It has been so breathtaking. See ya. Bye. We are going back, guys. We decided to have lunch at the hub, Karen. Now we are going to have our lunch. This is the hub. How many minutes? As we wait for those 10 minutes, let's tour this place. Let me show you around. Guys, and in case you love and adrenaline activities, here is the place. Cause why not? 10 minutes later, our pizza was ready. It's what we have ordered. Let's have a bite. We are done with our supper and it's already at late night. It's not that too much late. Yeah. So now it's time to leave the place. Guys, and then now it's time to go home. It has been an awesome day. Go. Thank you so much for spending a day with me. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Bye.